In this video tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to import images and then overlay lines on top of them, and then export the images to Google Docs and share them. First thing we need to do is turn on our axis and grid in Geogebra, and I'm going to select the Insert Image tool and click on the sheet, and then go to your documents where you have your image. Now you can, we want to line the image up so that the bottom left is at 0, 0. So I'm going to move my image with the arrow tool, the cursor tool, so it clicks at 0, 0. Now I need to fix the image to the background. So I'm going to put a point, select a point on the bottom right part of the image, and now I'm going to right click on the image itself and go to Object Properties. Now I need to go to Position, the little Position tab. Corner 1 should be at 0, 0. Corner 2, I need to select point A. That's the point I just added. Okay, I can close that. Now when I zoom in and out, it fixes to the background. So I'm going to go back to Object Properties and go to Style on the image and change the opacity so I can see through the image a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to put my line across this region using the Line Through Two Points tool. And I also need to go to Options and click Off on point capturing because I don't want it to snap to grid. So I'm going to put my line here right where the highlighted and the shaded region is in this picture. And now I can go to Insert Text, and I can estimate what my y-intercept and my slope are. I can also go to View and go to Algebra so I can see the equations on the left side. And there's my equation right there. It's in standard form. I can right click and put it into slope-intercept form, and I can read the slope and the y-intercept from the equation. So I can put that in my text box, and I could change the in the text box. I can also change the settings, the color, the font by right clicking and going to Object Properties. Okay, so I'm going to get it formatted the way I like. I'm adding a little bit more text explaining more about the line that I've just overlaid, and I put a title on it and my name. Now I'm going to go to the arrow tool again, cursor, and put a big rectangle around what it is I want to export as an image. So I'll go to File, Export, Graphics View as Picture, and then I'm going to change the resolution to 96 dpi so the file's not too big so when I upload it to Google Docs. So I'm just going to save this in a folder on my computer. Then I'll go to my Google Docs and upload the picture. So I'm going to create a document first, rename the document, and then insert image, or there's an icon on the toolbar I can also use, insert image, and then find it on my computer and drop it right in there, and I can move it around, shrink it or blow it up as I need to. Now I'm going to share it, and a dialog box pops up, and I'm going to put, you are going to put my name here so I can give you credit for your work. And you need to get all 4 of your images for this project and overlay your lines. And that's it. There's your rubric.